Steve has just been laid off from his longtime position. Facing the second half of his career, he fears he doesn't have the skills for a new job and risks delaying retirement. Steve wishes someone could coach him on the skills he really needs. Someone who can point him in the right direction, clear any obstacles, and give him support along the way. He thinks to himself, nobody should have to go through this alone. We know there are learners everywhere who face the same challenges and more. That's why JazzJune is working to make learning at all levels more accessible than ever. Here's how. Now Steve is working with an advisor on JazzJune, an expert in his field who can help guide him along the way. Our advisors can find an individual course or an entire curriculum to help him achieve his goals. And Steve knows if he gets stuck, his advisor can help him work through challenges and overcome obstacles in his way. Plus, Steve's advisor has the benefit of being paid for their knowledge and guidance. It's a win-win for everyone. And with JazzJune Jobs, Steve can match his new skills learned with real-world companies and positions. At JazzJune, we're passionate about helping people make better learning decisions, but we need your help. This crowdfunding campaign will give us the boost we need to bring JazzJune to the finish line, and you can get us there. So, are you ready to join us in revolutionizing education? Visit JazzJune.com to help.